I'm excited for this video because not only am I going to get to work with one of my favorite companies, I'm going to sit here and show you how I use their product. My roots are thick and I'm in desperate need of a brightening, enhancing situation. So the only thing I can go to is my Clairol Professional Jazzing Hair Color. All I'm going to need is just some gloves and the hair color. No developer is needed. Okay, now to my favorite part. As you can see, I'm just taking straight from the bottle and I'm going to saturate my root to the tip of my lock. Just to make sure that I get every piece, I'm also going to squeeze the color into my lock from the root to the tip. We just want to make sure that we hit every piece of hair. We don't miss any section. Of course, you know, locks will absorb anything liquid very easily, so color is the same way. And guys, this formula not only smells amazing, but it is so gentle. This is a conditioning formula, and I could tell right away by putting it on my hair. It's not harsh, it doesn't make my hair hard. It felt really soft while I was applying. And of course, you want to take your time, but also move swiftly to make sure that all your hair processes at the same time. This is definitely to enhance and brighten old faded colors that you may have had previously, like me. And guys, as I'm moving through the process, I can already see my hair starting to change color, and I am so very excited. This formula is absolutely amazing. And another great thing about it, it contains no ammonia, no peroxide. So again, very gentle formula, and it has the ability to last between 6 to 12 washes. Of course, I'm going for semi-permanent results, so of course I will be applying some heat to it, but guys, look at this. This is amazing. This formula is definitely one that you want to try. They have 14 shades. I know that you will be able to find something that you like. Okay guys, now that my whole head is saturated with the cherry cola color, I am too excited. I love the berry, cherry, raspberry realness that this has given me. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and wrap my hair up in bags. This is going to give me the semi-permanent results that I was telling you about earlier. When heat is applied, it really allows the color to permeate and really saturate into your locks. If you're looking for a temporary color, do not add heat. Don't add anything. Just apply the color and then rinse. Now I'm going to leave these bags and the color on my head for about 30 to 40 minutes. And then after that, I will go ahead and rinse with cool water and rinse until the water is clear. Okay, after 30-40 minutes of letting that color process, I rinsed and rinsed thoroughly with cool water. And guys, this is cherry cola on my hair. Look how bright my hair is. This really enhanced my faded color, and I could not be happier. Look how it really changed the game. It took me from a dull color and brightened me even more. So now that I'm all processed, I'm going to go ahead and deep condition, do my leave-in, interlock, and I will let you see the final result. Guys, this is the final look. Can we take a moment and just get into this color? I am absolutely loving cherry cola from the Jazzing collection. I love how it enhanced, it brightened my previously faded color, and it went on so gently, so softly, and it smells amazing. It's safe for colored, natural, perm, or relaxed hair. So if you ever want to experiment and you're like, well, I can't get to the salon, but I want something that's going to be soft and gentle on my hair, this is the formula for you. You will not regret it.